Yo, how's it going, everybody? My name's Dalton. Welcome back to another episode of Garage 99. Today, we are just gonna do some amazing things today. It's actually gonna be pretty simple. We gotta change the transmission fluid in the Miata, and we are going to do it in the garage. So that means I gotta move these two cars around, and doing that is a pain in the ass because I only have so much garage space, I only have so much driveway space. So I gotta open the gate, put the Miata on the street, move this car on the street, move it back around, back them all the way back in here. So I guess I'll get to it. All right, now that we've done that, we need to run to the parts store and grab some transmission fluid. But first, I have to look at this guy and see where the hell this transmission fluid even fills up at, because this is my spare one, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't have a clue. I don't have a clue. So that's good. Yeah, I guess we're gonna figure that out when we get back. I know exactly what fluid I need though. Okay, apparently that stuff's harder to find than I thought. I just went to O'Reilly, I had them search all their places, called all the Ford dealers, checked all the Advanced Auto Parts, nothing. So guys over at Fab 9 say they should have it in today. It's a very specific trans fluid. It's very hard to get, I guess, but it's the best one for our little 5-speeds and our Miatas. So he said to call back around 2, and I guess I'll see then if he has it. All right, great news. Brian just called me back and said that they have it over at Fab 9, so I'm about to go pick it up. All right, we just got the fluid. These guys share a shop with Corvette guys, and there's literally just Miatas and Corvettes all over the place. It's just a track guy's dream garage, basically, but there's more Miatas. That one up front, that ND, is like 5-6 something hundred horse. It's insane. But we're gonna head back home now and get this taken care of. Those guys gave me a lot of information as usual. Shout out to you, Brian and Jason, appreciate it. Yeah, see you then. Okay, to do this job, you're gonna want a drain pan, a 24 mil with a wrench, some way to get off the filler pin, which I'm gonna use that and just adjust it. You're gonna want a filler bottle so you can attach it to your trans fluid, and then this is the best fluid to get. This is XT-M5QS. It's a Motorcraft, it's Ford. Full synthetic. I have a little issue with my transmission. I'm hoping after I change this out that it'll fix the problem. We're gonna take it for a drive afterwards and see if it does, but it's usually when, and I'm sure other people out there have this issue because it's common, if you don't have the proper transmission fluid in and it gets really warm, upshifting or downshifting in a second is very difficult. It likes to grind a lot. So when we pull the drain plug off, if it's magnetic, which I'm pretty sure the factory one is, hopefully there's not a lot of metal bits on there from us trying to get into second gear, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, so that is your fill plug, and here's your drain plug. We're on the driver's side of the car right now, so it's gonna be next to the exhaust or the header. Make sure you can open this up before you start draining it, because then you're gonna be out of fluid and you can't drive it and it's gonna suck. Oh, okay, I think it's loose-ish. That thing was on there. Holy crap. Yep, here's our fill plug. And now it's time for the drain plug. I'm gonna wear some gloves and take off my watch because I'm not dumb. All right, once you crack it loose, this is where your talent comes in handy, which I don't have any. So want to apply pressure as you're undoing it. I think I'm getting close. Okay, I'm almost positive it's unthreaded, so. Oh, look at that, no mess. Now let's take a look at this drain plug. Oh my gosh. Well, I can't say I'm surprised, but there is definitely some metal bits and pieces in here. Very, very grainy. There's nothing big. There's a couple I can actually see though. Kind of to be expected, I guess, the way that transmission has been acting. Ooh, that's a big chunk. I would definitely suggest if anybody's transmission has been acting funny, where it's having issues getting into gears, definitely change the transmission before it gets too bad, because I'm not crazy about how this looks. Not surprised, I'm just not crazy about it. So while that's still draining, we're gonna open up the rest of that stuff we got for it, and then fill it back up. And you're supposed to only torque this to about 30 foot-pounds, this drain plug. Okay, so I only got about 8% left on this battery, so we are going to take it for a drive. We got it all put back together. We're gonna see how much better it shifts and if it's worth it for you to switch out for that kind of fluid. Everybody who has a Miata has basically told me to get this fluid and says it will fix the issue that I've been having, so we'll see. It's raining just a tiny bit, so we'll see how that plays out. Ooh. Okay, I immediately noticed it is crazy smooth shifting the second. Oh man, it's definitely buttery. I mean, it was nice to shift before, it's much nicer to shift now. Wow, you can even like engage it quicker and everything. Ooh, easy downshifts in a second, where before you really had to like work it in and just kind of engage it when it wanted you to engage, not when you were able to. A lot of traffic right now. What time is it? 2:30? Not the most optimal time for me to take this on a drive, but it is what it is. Transmission just sounds happier too. Oh hey guys, a couple days later, I'm just finishing the video where my camera died, but spoiler alert, yeah, didn't go according to plan. Stay tuned for next week's episode, guys, because I will be talking about and going over what happened. Let's just say the test drive seemed fine, but we still had the same issue where it warmed up and just kept grinding second when we went out to Woodward all night. So I'd like to say it's kind of a video fail for the day, but still learned a lot. Glad we did it. That's going to conclude today's video. I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. Peace out. Keep turning those gears.